What up, everybody? This is Scott Chain with RE/MAX Advanced Realty. Hey, so I got Cole right behind us. He's going to ask me a few different questions, and we're going to chit-chat back and forth. So, this is one of my favorite questions a lot of people ask me, right, is how I got into real estate. So I actually went and got my bachelor's in psychology, went and got my master's in business, and then went into operations management, which I truly loved. Worked for a couple different companies, worked in the corporate world, and it just really wasn't my thing. I did that for about 5 years. I was like, I have this niche to, have tenants, be a landlord, rentals, different things like that. I have a few different properties and just love real estate in general. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get into real estate, try to be an entrepreneur, right? And then after a few years or whatever, got into this and started with RE/MAX Advanced Realty. The only person that got back to me was Dennis Nottingham from RE/MAX Advanced Realty. So after that, I truly felt, there was a place for me, a home for me after reaching out to so many different companies and only, one reached back out to me. And I didn't have my license at the time, so I understand the prospect part of that and the time frame it takes to get your license. But when somebody goes above and beyond like Dennis, I mean, it's home for you. So I think the biggest one is when you go into a industry like real estate and it's all commission based and you don't know where to start, you don't know who to start with, you don't know if you're gonna fail, if you're gonna do well, if you're gonna advance. You really just don't know in an industry like this. But the thing that really caught me the most is when I spoke with Dennis, spoke with Josh Latham, and even Jason Krause as well. So the biggest thing here was that they spoke to me and said they got this really good mentor program, this really good lead program for us. And I was like, okay, let me check it out. They kind of walked me through it before I even joined, right? And the whole mentor program, since I've started, I've been with Josh Latham, has been an awesome mentor. We always hang out a couple times a week. He kind of takes me, I just kind of follow suit with him everywhere else that we go. But from that, I've learned a lot, and through these closings and through the buyer side and the seller side of things, he's with me one-on-one, always there, ready and willing to answer questions, and everybody else on the team is. And so just being here, just like I said before, it does feel like home, and it feels like there's people that are almost your family members there helping you, every step of the way. But yeah, so since I've been here, it's just been phenomenal. I've had all the help and assistance that I could ask for. And then even on top of that, right, going into this industry and saying, hey, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough people to sell to. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough buyers, right? I don't know if I'm going to, be able to make a living or an income. But with RE/MAX Advanced Realty, it just is phenomenal with the amount of people that you have on your back and the amount of people that they give you up front. I mean, you start making money just like that.